Station WXK4G2 will be up shortly. The NOAA's National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Polk County and northwestern Minnesota, northeastern Grand Forks County and northeastern North Dakota, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Holmes, or 12 miles southwest of Grand Forks, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expect damage to mobile homes, roofs and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Maryfield around 4:15 p.m. Grand Forks around 4:20 p.m. East Grand Forks around 4:30 p.m. Chirac around 4:45 p.m. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Grand Forks.